$137.27 was made from just two video clips I created for a client. Now what if I decide to show you how to do this for free? I mean, how to make this money just with only one clip or two clip with amount greater than this or even less than this, but at least it's something that can get you food on the table, right? So what if I decide to show you how to do this just for free? Would you give me your time? Okay, now let's dive in. Right, so the first thing to do here is creating a script. Okay, so what you're about to do here is we want to create a podcast. Okay, a podcast casted by a 3D animator or cartoon. Okay, so we are creating a 3D podcast animation. Now first thing we have to do now is we create the script, right? But then let's say if you don't know how to create the screen, the AI is there to assist you. So I've just logging into your ChatGPT and create an account and then enter this prompt. As you can see here, this is the prompt I entered: generate a 2-minute podcast speech on any exciting political happening in Nigeria this month. Okay, so it can be anything, any subject of your choice you want, but this is what I'm going with. Now within seconds, ChatGPT brought this out, as you can see here. So what I need to do here is just to copy this and edit it to how I want it to be. Okay, so now our script has been generated. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll copy. All right, now when we copy it, we'll come over to Love Voice. Okay, this is Love Voice, as you can see here on the screen, the name of the site, Love Voice, LUVVOICE. Okay, so if you don't have an account, on the top right hand side there, you're going to see something like a login or sign up. Okay, so you sign up for an account. It's very easy. It's going to take you just not less than 2 seconds to finish your signing process. Now, so when that is done, it brings you to this dashboard. As you can see here, text to speech. Okay, all right, so text to speech, you just press your work right here. Okay, work is pasted. So I just have to remove the things I don't want it to be here, things that are not necessary. Okay, so I just remove this and then scroll up. Okay, now this is not necessary too. This is also not necessary. Okay. All right, so now I just bring this up. Okay, so we are done with editing. You can just remove all these things here, or you can still leave it. Does not counteract your. Okay, so now the next thing here, we'll choose our English. Okay, the language. I would like to go with English Nigeria. Okay, so let's just search for that, English Nigeria. Wait, I think it should be up. All right, now here, this is it, English Nigeria. Okay, so I can just leave it with the male voice. Okay, you can choose your female voice or whatever. So now let's generate. Alright, it's going to
my people, welcome once again to Niger Now, where we break down the latest gist from the heart of Nigeria's political terrain. I'm your host, and today,
Alright,
grab your seat.
So it's generated and the total minutes is 1 minute 36 seconds. So all you need to do is just you download. Okay, you click on this button here to download, but I've already done this and I already downloaded it. Okay, so now the next thing to do now is to generate our image. Okay, so you still go back to ChatGPT or you go to any other site, which I am also going to introduce in another video again. So there are other many sites where you can actually generate a video. So this is what I did. This is the image I did. Okay, the first image I generated, this is it. Okay, it was actually my picture I used. Okay, so now this is it. This was the picture I used. This is the picture I used, my own picture I used, and I told the ChatGPT to convert this my photo to the image of a realistic person in a podcast studio holding mic talking. Okay, so that's what I did here, and then ChatGPT gave me this. Well, even though this face is not exactly mine, but at least there is a little resemblance because I am more handsome than this face. Don't you think so? No, please just check it out. Look at that. I'm more handsome than this face. Well, that's by the way. So now ChatGPT generated that, but then I actually wanted to go. I decided to go with a cartoon. Okay, so I now decided to change the statement. Now that image generated, convert it to a top-notch 3D cartoon, still in Podcast Studio. That's what I told ChatGPT. So ChatGPT now went ahead and recreated the image to a 3D cartoon. Okay, so this is what I want to go with. So now you just come here and click on this download button. Okay, it should be downloaded to your system. I've already done that. Now once you get your image, the next thing now is to convert the image to video using that voice we have just created. So the site you are going to go in now is Hydra. Okay, there are other websites too, like Clink AI, but let's just use this for this video. But for the next video, I'm going to show you how to use another website to do that. Okay, so this is Hydra. Okay, now if you don't have an account, you create an account on how to create an account to log in. But if you don't know how to create an account with this Hydra, you are having difficulty, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will guide you through how to do that. So once you have created an account and log in, it will bring you to this interface. What we are doing here is video, not image, so we'll just click on video. Okay, and allow it to load. Alright, now when that is done, this is where it has brought us. So now we have to upload the frame, that's the image we downloaded. So you click on this start frame and then upload image. I consent. Alright, go back and click on the frame and add to upload image, and then a dialog box opens for you to select the folder where it is saved. Okay, so automatically it opens, but you can just search for the folder here. This is the image. I'll just choose this. Okay, now the audio script upload. Okay, this is it. Alright, now they will enter the prompt here. Okay, this is above 20 seconds. The audio longer than 20 seconds. So this site only permits 20 seconds. 20 seconds video. Okay, so let's shorten this to 20 seconds and then we 20 seconds. You can actually do the video in multiples just to make up to the time you lost. Okay, so this is 20 seconds. Okay, now just note where you stop. Okay, this is where I stopped, so that in the next subsequent video I will just pick up from here. So this is okay, now add to video. Now you just enter this prompt here. The image, okay, let's say the image moves together with eyes, mouth and hands in sync. Okay, so this is it, and then we go ahead and click on this button up here. Click on it. Okay, please click on continue here. Go ahead and click on continue here. Okay, so it is now, the video is now generating. Okay, so it will just take up some few minutes, but depending on how strong your internet is. So depending on so take up just few minutes and then we're good to go. Alright guys, here is our video. Let's try to play it and see.
My people, welcome once again to Niger Now, where we break down the latest gist from the heart of Nigeria's political terrain. I'm your host, and today, grab your seat, because this one hot pass. So, just this month, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu made a big move that got the whole nation talking.
So, we are done here. So, what I have to do is just download, okay? Look at this. This is how to create this podcast animation. Okay, It can be any other aspect. Okay, it could be a group of people or cartoons demonstrating or presenting a speech, or maybe singing as a choir in a church, or it could be anything. So you can still follow the same process. Okay, now the question now is, how do you make money with this? Yeah, I believe that you have been expecting to hear this is what you have been expecting to hear since, but actually the most important thing is to knowing what to do before knowing how to make money with it, right? Okay, so now this is how to make something like this. Okay, so now when after finish creating your video, you want to start making money, something like this. This is just amount made from two clips I created and sent to a client. No, so if you want to make something like this is where you can go to start making this. Okay, so the one of the prominent one is Upwork. Okay, so these are different people on this same line that are generating such income, okay, daily basis. Now this person here is charging $10 per hour for such a job, okay, and he has actually done about 630 jobs on this video animation. Okay, this person is charging $30 per hour. Do you see the difference now? This person is charging $10, this one is $30. Can you see that? This very one is $15 per hour. So it's just on your own, it's just personal preferences, and proficiency of course also applicable to that. Okay, so that is this others. So this Upwork, now you can create an account. All you need to just Google Upwork. Okay, you type in Google Upwork, and okay, let me just show you shortly on that. Okay, so this is Upwork. I just want to Google it, Upwork. The first option that displays, you just click on it to create an account with them. Okay, no problem. What is there is, if you have a problem creating an account, or maybe you want a tutorial on how to create an account and establish your profile on Upwork or Fiverr, just leave a comment in the comment section for me to generate such video for you, and I'll also do that, and you follow the process and see yourself moving high. Okay, now this is it. You sign up. Okay, this is login if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you sign up. This is just a preliminary procedure on how to start up, but there are more detailed things on how to set up your Upwork profile proficiently. I will just leave a comment in the comment section if you need a video on that. So this is where we end for this video. I hope you did enjoy watching this video, and you learned something very important, and of course to scale up your earnings. Alright, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my video to receive notifications for subsequent important videos that will change your life. See you in the next video.